Hi people and welcome. Today I just want to do a little bit of a catch up. Now what I tend to do is I close the trade before people see it, and then in some ways they're thinking, well, did you just mimic that in some way or some form? Okay, so what I wanted to do, I know obviously people that are inside the Telegram group know me off by heart by now, and they know that I'm quite genuine. But I'm going to be releasing this inside the YouTube channel, and I just wanted to show you basically what profits I've just made. Now, when I checked this, I came home round about 5 o'clock p.m. Today, and this is in the UK time. It's now coming up to 10 to 7, and I'm hitting in the profit of 1,225. Okay, this is on my Darwin X Live 2 account. Okay, now this is the account which I'm still in almost like a probation period. You'll see that my actual return at the moment is 31.63%. This has only been running for approximately 12 days. Well, you can see I was active on the 1st of October. You can see that I've got 3 days and 23, 3 days, 23 hours, 10 minutes and 16 seconds before I can actually start participating in trying to get an allocation. Now, what I can say is with the bots that I'm using right now, and they are just absolutely crushing it. If I'm in 31% of my actual trades, okay, now this is it's a very good position to be in, because what could happen is eventually, okay, in 3 days time, I could almost go into an allocation. Now what this means is that for the first month, it means then that providing I stay in a profitable margin, that I'm then going to be getting rewarded with a performance fee. And this is something you get every 3 months. Now, this is what I've based my business on. Okay, this is just part of my trading academy, which I offer inside Darren's Trading Academy. But what the beauty of this is I show you how you can capitalize by building a proven method of how to make money online, okay, safely without using your own collateral, if you like, without using your own balance, okay, by actually using a funded 100k account, which isn't a prop firm. This is a completely different system altogether, a lot safer. This actual firm's been going for over 9 years with millions of traders. Okay, there's millions of people that get involved with the trading side of it. The actual traders that are trading is around about 7,000, but the views are there's millions of views that have looked into this Darwin X Zero account. Okay, and you can see that this also attracts other real-time investors that can actually ask you to use your proven methods to make money. And this is when you can really start to draw a lot of money. If you're interested, by the way, there's a code which is right here. If you type this code in when you join, this is going to give you a 25% discount. Okay, if you think, what the hell are you talking about, Darren? I've got no idea. Okay, well, then you need to join Darren's Trading Academy while you still can for just $397. Okay, lots and lots of people. It's a very strange one. This, lots of people have been saying, well, $397, is that expensive? Well, not really. Not when you think that you're getting expert advisors that are actually going to give you proven money. Okay, proven money ways to grow your account. And you can see that while we're chatting, this has gone up now to 803. This one's at 794.31, and you know, you'll see that it's in place. The USD Safe Expert Advisor, okay, which you can use other platforms with. Okay, you can try other things like Euro USD, GBP USD. Personally, I would stick to what I know works. I know USD JPY works. You can see that we're at 1,500 now. So, you know, this is growing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close this trade very, very shortly. And, you know, all I need to make is roughly around about 500 to £1,000 every 2 to 3 days. And this bot is really delivering quite well, because once it's done that, okay, then my balance is always going up. So you can see here that I've got 130,141, and you know, my equity now is actually in a better position, because it's now 131,561. So you can see that we're already, you know, making money, which is a great thing, because you need to try and keep your account in the plus all the time. This is why I say to people that if you're going to get a Darwinix account, you need to get it in the region of 180,000 to 250,000. You might be thinking to yourself, that's just outrageous. How on earth am I going to do that? Well, my Darren's Trading Academy shows you how to do this, okay? And you can see that, you know, at the moment we're making over 1,500, 1,600 profit. Okay, so I'm going to close this trade now anyway, as I promised. I'm going to wait till this gets to about the 1.5 mark, and then I'm going to click on this and I'm going to close it. So you can see this is live. So, you know, you're benefiting by what I'm teaching you. Also, watch out for my new video. I'm going to bring out another video which is going to show you my blueprint of how I actually use Darwinix Zero accounts to make a profit of anywhere from 25 to 50,000 pound every 12 to 24 months on a long time scale. Okay, now so you're looking to set this system up. You're roughly looking that it's going to take you around about 1.5 to 2 years to do this. Okay, because you need to scale up, and I show you exactly how to do this, but also you need to be in a certain position when you do this that your accounts are running on autopilot. Otherwise you've got a hidden cost that you've got to pay every single month, and I don't want you to incur that. I want you to be fully aware of what you're getting yourselves into. Plus I want to give you a system that is guaranteed to work. Okay, now that's a very strong word. Okay, it is guaranteed. But so far we are having some great profit margins which seem to be working very, very well. These particular bots that I'm showing you are experimental in their own right. Okay, however, they are doing the job. Okay, we can't argue that. You can see the proofs on here, right? You can see that we're 1,352. You don't think, oh my god, I'm losing money. Not really, no, right? Because I'm already my equity is higher than my balance. Okay, so that means that I'm still 1,285 in profit, which is pretty good. Okay, that's not bad for an hour's work. That's how long it's taken me to grab that money. And so what I'm going to do is, if this goes up, because what you tend to find, okay, because it's a 1 hour chart, is it goes up and it goes down, it goes up and it's going down. So this could be going down, okay, and what it means is it's going to trace or may retrace, and then it might go back up again. Only time will tell. Okay, it could go the other way. All right, well that's why you have a stop loss that's in place, and you can see that the stop loss on here is at 151997. Okay, and you'll see that the price that this was actually, because this is in USD sell, is at 151606. So it seems to be bouncing on and off the 1225 to the 1500. Okay, that's how much, you know, I'm making. And if we look here, you can see that the bot is just constantly monitoring and taking trades. Okay, because this is a USD Safe Expert Advisor, which I launched yesterday inside Darren's Trading Academy. Lots and lots of exciting members that are actually getting their hands on this and starting to use this, and realizing that this is one of the very bots that will be able to build your Darwinix account very, very quickly. Of course, while I've been talking, you can see that this is going up and down. You know, it's bouncing and doing exactly what it needs to do. I'm not too worried if this fell down to 500 or even 100. It doesn't bother me, because within the space of 2 days I've made just under £30,000 with this bot. Okay, so it's an incredible piece of kit, and there's a good chance if I leave this till tomorrow, this could be roughly easily into the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 mark. Okay, because this bot seems to really get it right when to jump into the market and when to jump out of the market. And I've got lots and lots of bots that are tailor-made to do this, especially if you're following gold. Okay, because with gold, if gold goes up, USD CAD tends to come down, and if gold goes down, USD CAD seems to go up. And I've got an actual customized bot which I've set up, and this profits me. I mean, it made $512 today with just that one bot, you know, and that works by not taking into the whole consideration of my account. So if I put this on a 100k account, right, you think, well, £500 from 100k account. Well, no, because I've got it set up where it's it thinks it's £1,000 account, or it thinks it's a £5,000 account. That's how I'm doing it. So I give it a certain equity that it can trade with, and that's why I normally use other bots with inside that realm as well. And that's an MT5 bot as well. So you'll see that this one's an MT4 bot, okay, which is the updated version. You see, as I said to you before, it's starting to fall. Again, I don't panic, all right? I have a plan that's in place. I have a belief system and also a proven system that this is going to create money, which I need. My take profit margin, okay, is at 129028. So it's literally, we are looking round about 4 to 5k, okay, if we allow it to take the profit version. And don't forget, that's on each of the trades that is taken. So that's 6.44 lots at USD JPY, which the price was at 151759, with a stop loss of 151.997 and a take profit of 129028. And you'll see that the 151, okay, which is 630, is in, you know, it's not that far away if you think about it. The price now is 151624, okay, and the price that this took the actual trade is at 151759. So it's all right, it's about 120 pips, okay. However, we're £500 in trade, okay, in profit. And you see it's literally just taken those. So what it's done is it's monitored the market, okay, it's safely taken that trade, okay. So I've just made $1,000, and you see my balance is at 131179. My equity now is at 131177, okay. And you've just seen this live. This has just done this live, okay. So now if I go to the account history and we scroll all the way down, you'll see that it's taken the trades, okay, let's have a look. There's the two trades here. You'll see it's the 24th, and you'll see it's 9 o'clock in Luxembourg, because it's a couple of hours difference. It's actually in the UK, it's 7 p.m. And you can see that the first trade, okay, which took the price, okay, this is what it took the take price, and the profit which I made from that was £556.39, and this one here, which is 546.14. So if we add these two up, okay. Oh, that's the calendar. We don't want the calendar. Why do we want the calendar? Let's do that again. Calculator. Okay, so we're just going to add these two up, all right, so you know how much we just made in just under an hour, okay, which is very, 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 very crazy if we can get this calculator to work. This is one of the things that we find, that when we're filming, when you're doing a live film, you know something's going to go wrong. Okay, so it's 556.39 plus 546.14. Okay, so we've made 1,102. I'm writing this down for my own thing, because I'm going to put this on my actual thumbnail when I release this on YouTube in 1 hour. Okay, so when people say to you, you can't make money online, okay, in forex trading, you can say yes you can, because if you use USD JPY and you use Darren's Safe Expert Advisor, okay, from his academy, you can look and be prepared that it's possible to make in 1 hour £1,102.53. Okay, there it is. That's the proof. Okay, it's a trade, and if we go into my Darwinix account and we refresh this, you'll find that my return rate has probably gone up a bit more now. Okay, 31.63. Okay, so you know, it's pretty cool. I'm getting people now that actually, like that guy there, he's saying, well, why don't you invest? You know, because they know that I've on something here. I've made a return of 31%, okay, in a space of a few days, and you can see here, okay. You can also see the assets, you can see my duration. In fact, this one here is telling you that this was made in 48 minutes. This trade took place in 48 minutes, okay. So that's less than an hour. It's actually 48 minutes, and that's this trade. So that's an incredible achievement from this spot. And what do I do now? I just leave it. That bot is also up, okay. You'll see that at the moment there is no USD JPY. It hasn't picked anything else up, so we just leave it, okay. And then it will monitor the markets again. It will choose whether it wants to do a buy trade or it wants to do a sell trade, and you just leave it, and it will just build your account up. I mean, look at this, 131,179. You've just seen this when it was 130,000. In less than 48 minutes, I've profited in this. So it's a very, very good thing to use. And also, when you see the video I bring out on my blueprint, okay, if you don't want to join Darren's Trading Academy, there is nothing stopping you from using my blueprint to try it, okay. The only difference is I'm supplying you with the methods and tools which is going to get you there quicker. All right, so that's it. That's all the very best. Until my next video, all the best. Thank you. Bye now.